It was a sunny afternoon, and Leo and his friends were gathered around a large puzzle on the school playground. The pieces were scattered everywhere, and despite their best efforts, the puzzle seemed impossible to solve. "I don't get it. How are we supposed to put this together?" his friend Mia groaned, staring at the jumbled mess. "Maybe we're missing a piece," added Alex, scratching his head. Leo glanced down at his pocket, feeling the comforting weight of Blaze, the tiny dragon, curled up inside. Blaze had been with him for a few weeks now, always ready to help out when things got tough. Leo whispered, "Hey, Blaze, think you could give us a hand with this?" Blaze peeked out, his fiery eyes twinkling mischievously. With a quick, sly nod, the little dragon quietly slipped out of Leo's pocket. While the other kids were focused on the puzzle, Blaze darted to the side of the playground, staying out of sight. Suddenly, tiny flickers of flame began dancing in the air. Blaze used his magical fire breath, sending a stream of glowing embers toward the scattered puzzle pieces. As if by magic. Well, actually, it was magic. The pieces began to glide across the ground, fitting together perfectly. Piece by piece, the puzzle was assembled in record time. Leo watched in awe, trying his best not to smile too widely as Blaze's flames finished the last section. "Whoa!" Mia exclaimed, standing back and looking at the now completed puzzle. "How did we do that so fast?" Alex nodded in amazement. "We're like puzzle-solving geniuses." Leo grinned but stayed quiet, grateful that his secret helper had come through once again. He felt Blaze slip back into his pocket, snuggling against him. From that day on, Leo knew that with Blaze around, even the trickiest challenges could be solved, but only if he used the dragon's magic carefully, without letting anyone find out. As the bell rang, signaling the end of recess, Leo patted his pocket. "Thanks, Blaze," he whispered. Blaze purred softly in response, ready for their next adventure, to be continued